Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful beads work designing using the normal stitching nail. So let's quickly start with the designing. On the neckline I'd be giving the normal chain stitch. For that I'd be using gold zari thread of single strand, and this is how we have to give the normal chain stitch. And I'd be giving 2 lines of normal chain stitch here. So on the sleeves, also on the neckline, we need to highlight with the zari thread like this. And now here I'd be using semicircle golden bead of 4 number size, and this is how we have to insert in the needle. And now I'd be highlighting with the Zardosi string. I had already measured of this much length and cut. Now I'd be inserting in the needle, and here I'm gonna use size 9 number needle and cotton silk thread for the stitching of this Zardosi work, and we have to give an overlapping stitches like this. Now all around this I'd be giving the joining of these sugar beads of gold color. Like this we have to insert and give an overlapping stitches on this also, so that it will be in place. These are very simple looking creative necklines, but once you wear it, it will really gives a stylish look. Now I'll be using golden beads of small size. This is to create the flower shape. That means 7 petals flower shape. Maintaining the equal gaps, we have to stitch it like this. Firstly we'll join the beads, then we'll highlight with the Zardosi string to give the borders to create the flower shape. The materials which I am going to use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, but some of them are saying that they are not getting these materials, so you can purchase it online. The links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. And now I have stitched the beads. This would be highlighted with the Zardosi string like this, giving the continuing stitch and invisible stitches. We have to stitch it like this. These designs are exclusively designed for bridal or for the party wear collection, but you can also try this on your old stitched blouses, on the necklines, or highlighting of the sleeves border, which will really gives expensive rich look. As the gold work matters, trying with this simple type of gold designer necklines will really gives an elegant look. And this is how it looks. Exactly in the center I'd be stitching with the sugar bead of single one. This is to fill in the gaps like this, and underneath also I'd be stitching 2 more lines with the sugar beads. This is so simple if you know how to create it. Next to this I'd be creating 2 more lines with the joining of these gold sugar beads. This is how on the complete neckline we have to give the design. Once completed, the design would look like this. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon, support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.